Hi, my name is Ulf Greiner, Senior Product Manager Solutions at NEC Display Solutions. What we're showing here is our new Raspberry Pi media player. So this is a media player which we specifically designed to leverage the performance on the Raspberry Pi compute module, which we have built into our displays. We will start shipping this new media player from April, offering this on a compute module 3 Plus with extended memory of 32 gigabyte. This is kind of extending our modular approach for computing. So this can be retrofit with our displays. You can upgrade displays. And it's really meant to fit for entry-level signage applications. So an out-of-the-box solution that allows you to schedule and playback content in a very easy way. You can see here the menu, pretty straightforward. You can playback content from different kind of sources, like the internal storage. You can add a USB. You can playback web content, or you can stream content from a network drive. There's the possibility to add playlists and edit them, changing the order, setting the time. Certain items will be played. It supports all kind of media formats. Open modular is an important keyword for us, and that's also with the media player. So you can see here with this new media player, we have an apps section. At the beginning there will be these 4 apps part of the media player: the browser, a video input, which allows you to add a different source via the HDMI, for example, to a playlist, network storage and streaming. And additionally, there is also the possibility to link the media player to a CMS system, and we already signed up a number of content management systems, which you can see here on the screen. Yodex, Screenly, so these are really the experts on the Pi, Scenario as well, InfoBeamer, and Chimero, and we plan to add more content management partners moving forward. So this is really meant to give you a future-proof solution that allows you, with the business growing and the demands and the necessity changing, to go from a standalone media player application towards a more professional, where you have a content management system linked. If you need more information, please visit our website. That's nec-displaysolutions.com.